We'll guide you through how to create a poll on Facebook. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So polls are super useful as you can go and collect information and engage with people. It is important to note you can only go and use polls in certain places on Facebook, so let's get started. The first place you can go and use polls is in Facebook groups. So let's go to a group, click on the menu button in the bottom right or the top right. On the menu page, scroll down and click on See More, and you need to find the option for groups. It's at the bottom here. Choose the group you want to make the poll in and go and click on it. What you can then do is click on Write Something. Now you can go and type in what you want your poll question to be, drag up to view the list of options, and you should see the option for poll. Click on it and you can start adding your options. You can add more options as well, and you can add images to the right, and you can also go and choose the settings at the bottom there. When you're done, press done, and you can then click on post in the top right. The other way you can make a poll on Facebook is by posting as a Facebook page. So you click on the menu button in the bottom right or the top right. You can switch to a page by coming to the top, clicking on the arrow over to the right, and choose a Facebook page. You can then click on what's on your mind, and you'll go and see the option for poll. Click there, and you can then go and start filling it out